Today we're going to sort silverware. So we have our silverware tray that we just took out of the dishwasher, and we have our silverware drawer. And in our drawer we have big forks, big spoons, knives, little spoons, and little forks. So you just want to sort the silverware and put them in the right spots. Spoon, knife, spoon, spoon, little fork, little fork, big fork, spoon, little fork, spoon, spoon. Oh, there's some more. Knife, 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 big fork. Oh, that one goes in a different drawer, but it's a little fork. Oh, it's big fork. These are different drawers. Big fork. Big fork. Spoon. Little fork, spoon, little fork, big fork, and we're done.